Before making a decision about buying from Eezy Inc., there are a few key things you need to know. In this video, I'm breaking down the most important points that could help you determine if this is the right product for you. If you're considering Eezy Inc. over competitors, stay tuned till the end. You'll want to hear how it stacks up. First off, Eezy Inc. offers an easy-to-use platform that focuses on streamlining your workflow and maximizing efficiency, but it's important to know where it excels and where it might not be the perfect fit. Many other competitors like Canva or Adobe Express are great alternatives, but Eezy's approach is more tailored for people looking for a combination of simplicity and powerful features that work seamlessly together. Next thing you need to understand is the pricing structure. One of the major draws of Eezy Inc. is the accessibility of its pricing. Compared to high-end tools like Adobe, Eezy offers a more affordable solution without sacrificing quality. Plus, you can get started with a completely free trial, so if you're on the fence, you can give it a shot before fully committing. The third thing to note is the user interface. This is where Eezy stands out in comparison to other platforms. Unlike other design tools that can be overwhelming with too many features, Eezy's interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, the learning curve is minimal, which makes it ideal for people who don't have the time or patience for overly complicated software. The fourth thing you should know is about the customization options. Eezy Inc. offers a variety of templates, and while it's not as deep as something like Photoshop, for most users, it strikes the perfect balance. If you need a tool that can create professional-looking graphics without the need for hours of customization, Eezy gets the job done in less time, which is a big win. Next thing is the integration options. One of the advantages of Eezy Inc. is its smooth integrations with other platforms like social media channels and productivity tools. While competitors may have similar features, Eezy makes sure that you can quickly export your designs and put them to work without missing a beat. This is crucial for anyone looking to boost their workflow. Now, the sixth thing you might want to know is the customer support. If you ever run into trouble or have a question, Eezy's support team is known for being responsive and helpful. This is one area where it definitely outshines some of its competitors, who can sometimes leave users stranded without sufficient assistance. With Eezy, you won't have to worry about that. And finally, it's important to know that Eezy Inc. offers a fantastic free trial. If you're interested in testing it out for yourself, you can get access to the software through the first link below, completely risk-free. The trial gives you a chance to explore its full potential without the pressure of a long-term commitment, and that's something that not all competitors offer. So, if you're considering whether to buy Eezy Inc., take advantage of the free trial linked below and explore the benefits for yourself. With its affordable pricing, easy interface, and robust features, it could be exactly what you need to elevate your productivity and creative work. Don't miss out on the best deal available. Click the link to try it now.